Hi, my name is Bill Camarillo and I'm the CEO of Agriman. Agriman is a premium soils products company and we make all of our products from green waste recycled material. Green waste recycled material comes from typically curbsides at residential, which is typically made up of grass, leaves, and branches at your home. We receive the material here at our facility in Santa Paula on the Limonera property, where the material is cleaned, ground, and composted, and then screened into soil products and mulches that can be used in the ranch. The ranch has a lot of citrus trees, avocado, and row crops, so we do make several different types of products out of the green material that can be used in different applications on the ranch to help save water, reduce pesticide, herbicide, reduce erosion on the property, and primarily help save water. In the background you can see the tractor picking the material up and cleaning it while another truck gets to dump. Most of this material comes from the 4 surrounding cities of the ranch, city of Ventura, Santa Paula, Fillmore, and the county unincorporated areas. In a few minutes I'm going to take you on the other side and show you where the composting takes place. But just so you can take a look at some of the material, you can see that it's primarily grass, leaves, and branches. It's the only thing we accept. It's all mandated part of California's Assembly Bill 939, which requires all cities and counties to recycle up to 50% of their waste streams by the year 2000, which we surpassed. In a minute, I'm going to take you over on the other side and tell you a little bit more about that. Hi, Bill Camarillo again, CEO of Agriman. We've actually brought you over to what we call the composting side. The facility is broken up into 2 sides. We have the 5-acre side for the pre-processing of the green waste material, where we receive it, clean it, grind it, and stage it to come onto this 5-acre parcel where we actually do the composting. As you can see in the background, we have these uniform rows of material, which is the mulch that was processed on the other side. And what we do here is we put these rows out. They're about 300 feet long, a football field length, and what we're trying to do is get them up to temperature. And the temperature that we like to see the rows is about 140 to 160 degrees maximum. What we're doing there is we're making sure that we kill all the bad bacteria and enhance all the nutrients in the material for use on the ranch. I think what you're seeing now in the background is the screening plant. The composting process actually takes about 20 days, and in that 20 days all we're doing is we're turning it with a windrow turner that actually drives over the top of it. And what we're doing is we're introducing water into the pile and oxygen. That water and oxygen is actually what's helping the little bacteria and microbes break the material down over time. The material is then screened in the screening plant there in the background, where it's broken down into different size materials, 3/8-, which we call fine material, and a mulch, which is about 2 to 3 inches, that we're going to use on the top of the ground. That mulch is actually used around the trees here on the Limonera Ranch, and it's used to save water, reduce erosion control, and weed suppression. When you put it down about 6 to 8 inches thick, it's actually about 99% effective in reducing the amount of weeds on the ranch. The fine material actually gets incorporated in the ground, and it's also used to help save water, but more dramatically it's used to reduce the amount of commercial fertilizers that we're having to use on the property. That's pretty much the process at this facility. Agriman actually makes over 200 different types of soil products. All plants, trees, and shrubs are like people, and they all require a little different nutrient value and media to grow in. We do use the compost as a base material, and we add other products to it to make mixes for roses and orchids and palm trees and you name it. Everything's a little bit different. That's pretty much our story, and Limonera is going to tell you next how to use the material in the ranch.